Hello dear students. In the third video, we will continue by solving the remaining part of the SAT questions related to the photosynthesis process. Now we have 5 questions. It starts from question 11 till 15. We have 5 questions. It says, indicate which of the following event occurs during. We have A, light dependent reaction, which takes place inside the granum, and we have light independent reaction that takes place inside the stroma. So now it's like matching question. We have A and B. We have to match it with the 5 statements that we have. Oxygen is released, as we know that oxygen is released during the light dependent reaction. So the answer for the question is A. Carbon fixation occurs during light independent reaction during the Calvin cycle. So the answer is B. ATP is produced during, we know that, during light dependent reaction, which it is A. Let us move to the question 14 and 15. It says, electrons flow through an electron transport chain. Again, this process happening during light dependent reaction, which it is A. Calvin cycle occurs during light independent reaction, which it is B. The oxygen given off by plant comes from. So the oxygen, we explained that in the first and the second video. The oxygen comes from the water. We know that it's from H2O. So the answer for the question is E. Which of the following is not a photosynthetic pigment? We know that chlorophyll A is the main photosynthetic pigment that's found in plant. B and C, chlorophyll B and carotenoids, these are accessory pigments that they have role in the photosynthesis process, and they are photosynthetic pigment, but they are accessory one. We have bromothiamol blue, and the technicians and the biologists that they are working in the lab, they are always using bromothiamol blue. It's an indicator that's used for detection of pH. It's used in the lab. So this is not a pigment. Okay, phycobilins, again this is a pigment which is used for the photosynthesis process, and it's found in alga or in algae. So the answer for the question is D. It's bromothiamol blue. It's not a photosynthetic pigment. Carotenoids absorb all colors of light except which one? We know that carotenoids, it's like orange and yellow color. Okay, as they are found in carrots, and so the carotenoids, they are, as I told you, they are yellow, orange in this range. So they absorb all the other colors except yellow and orange. So we can see these objects in yellow and orange color. So they absorb all colors except yellow one. Okay, as we mentioned that we say that plants contain green color, which it is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a pigment that it contains, that gives green color. Okay, it's in green color, so it absorbs all of the colors except green one. Okay, and the initial role of chlorophyll in photosynthesis, we said that in the first video of the photosynthesis process, chlorophyll, it gives green color to the plant and absorbs the sunlight. Absorbing sunlight is the initial role, the main role of the chlorophyll in this process. So the answer for the question is B. Absorbs light energy, synthesizing sugar and fixed carbon dioxide. These are not the function, the role of the chlorophyll. The last question that we have, it says, which of the following is produced by both cellular respiration and light dependent reaction of photosynthesis process? So we know that during cellular respiration and light dependent reaction, ATP is produced. It's the aim of these processes. So that's about the 20 questions that we have related to the SAT biology, and these are the last part of this of our explanation about the photosynthesis process. Thank you so much for your attention and for your listening. If you have any question or if it's not clear for you, please do not hesitate to write in the comments. I will be ready for answering your questions.